all the guys that I work with on the street, most of them, my FTO was black, and I don't know anybody that has a racist. I don't personally, can't speak on it, other than my experiences. I don't know anybody that's racist. I don't know how you could work there and possibly be racist when you're protecting a 95% black community and you're working with black officers who you love like your children. Like, you know, you have that same connection with them. Like, I would die for them. I love those dudes. I don't give a shit what color they are. And yeah, so it kind of makes me mad and pisses me off when people bring up the racism thing, because I don't see it. I never saw it.
Do you know why you don't see it? Because you don't have that story in your head. You don't got some story in your head. You didn't you have other stories in your head. Your stories in your head are like, I want to be a cop so I can protect people. I love my wife. I can't wait to get home and see my daughter. My favorite food is steak. You don't have the whole reason why those people say, all those people out there who are like all white people are racist. It's because it's just so simple. That's just the story they have in their head. And for some reason they can't drop it.